Sharpening hand tools with Pride Abrasives Waterstones and an Infinity Tools honing guide and setup jig is quick and effective. Start by soaking your Waterstones for about 15 minutes before sharpening. Flatten your Waterstones after soaking and before use. The large Pride Abrasives flattening stone makes quick work of this process and ensures your Waterstones stay flat and free of buildup. The first step to sharpening a woodworking tool is to flatten the back. This is a one-time exercise that will ensure that your chisel or plane iron can be sharpened to its fullest potential. Start with your coarsest grit Waterstone and work the first 1/2 to 1 inch of the back until you see a consistent scratch pattern all the way across the cutting edge. Be careful to keep the back of your tool flat on the stone during this process. Once you have a consistent scratch pattern, move up through the grits, removing the scratches from the previous stone. Just like when sanding, skipping grits will slow down the process, so resist the urge to rush and skip grits. When complete, the back of your chisel or plane iron should be perfectly flat and have almost a mirror polish. Now it's time to establish and hone the bevel. A honing guide and setup jig make this quick and easy. Use the jig to set the honing guide to produce your desired bevel angle. I recommend a 30-degree angle for most woodworking tools. Start with your coarsest stone and work the bevel until a burr forms all the way across the cutting edge. You should be able to feel this burr and have no doubt that it's there. If you're not sure, keep working that bevel. The final step is to hone a micro bevel using your finest Waterstone. Use the shim that comes with the setup jig to slightly increase the honing angle and create a micro bevel at the very tip of the cutting edge. This should only take 15 to 30 strokes with light pressure. Flip the tool over and polish the back to work the burr back and forth until it falls away and can no longer be felt. When the burr is gone, your tool is sharp and ready for use. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to get all of your tools razor sharp quickly so you can spend more time woodworking.